Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to create WeChat account without verification code. WeChat account without verification code. Here you see you go to Play Store, either iOS or Android. You type WeChat. You type WeChat. You type WeChat. This is how it is. If you don't have, you download it. So you wait patiently for it to download. After you downloaded the app, you click open. Yes. So when it open like this, you see sign up. You click on sign up. Here it's asking you sign up with mobile or sign up with Facebook. So you click on sign up with Facebook. You click on it. So this is how it will be. So you click on continue as. That's my Facebook name. So I'll click. So your Facebook name, you click continue as, and you click. So here, so it will bring you here again. So here, you take your time and fill in the information. So this is my name on Facebook. Here, the country origin, you type your phone number, your password, and you click. You see there's a dot here. So you click. So before you click, fill in the information before you click, and click accept and continue. So let's do it. So here you type your country. Search for your country. Take your time and search for your country. Take your time to search for your country. So you type in your phone number. Type your phone number that you are using. So when you finish, you type. When you finish, you type your password. Type in your password. You click this adult. I have read and accept. You click accept and continue. You click accept and continue. Here, you take your time and read through. You take your time and read through it. So after you finish, you see here, you click here, you click next. Here it is asking for security verification. So you click start. You click on start. So here you take your time to once it's selected image that's best match. So you click OK. For this one is for security reason to avoid any spam. So verification, you enter verification, so it's loading. You will send your verification code to the number, to your number. Yeah, oh la la. Yeah, after the verification code, it will open like this. So when the human head is like this, you can come here, you click, and you click here. So you can edit here the username, you can edit the WeChat name. So this is how to create WeChat account. But one thing is, when it asks of QR code, don't worry. When it asks of QR code, don't worry. DM me on Instagram. I'll guide you to scan the code for you. So when this one, it might work for some people and it might not work for some people. So if it didn't work for you, DM me on Instagram so that I'll scan the QR code for you. Thank you. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.